I made this video about masking text in Photoshop. A very simple, easy and effective way of adding an amazing effect to the text which often takes a long time to do. Let's jump into Photoshop to see how it is done. Select the text tool and type anything. The font I used here is Lesenby Computer. Hold Alt key and double click on text layer. Select drop shadow and make adjustment to your liking. Now drag an image which you want to clip. Drag and drop it on the text layer. Make sure the image is covering the entire text area and it is on the top of the text layer. Press Ctrl T if you want to scale the image. Hit enter when you're happy with it. Go to the image layer. Hold Alt key and bring the mouse pointer at the bottom of the layer and you will see the pointer changing. While holding the Alt key, left click on the mouse button and there you have it. A cool, colorful text effect. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.